Hey guys, welcome back to another Reviews. Today I'm your special guest. Alright,
Let's review what? Sparkling Ice Starburst Cherry. Ooh. All right, let's get our fancy glasses in. All right, Lucas, pop it open. Let's get that out of the way. Do you need some help or you got it? All right. All right, ready? Cheers, dink. Ooh, that smells like cherry.
Tastes like...
That tastes exactly like the Starburst cherry. That's really good. I like this one. I could drink the whole bottle.
Huh.
One more cheers. All right, what do you have to say to the people?
Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe and share. Oof.
Oof, oof, oof.
If